English speaking skills improve කරගන්න පොඩි secrets ටිකක් කියන්නද? හැබැයි මේක කාටවත් කියන්න එපා, හරිද? ඔන්න එහෙනම් secret number 1. Stop telling yourself you will practice English when you have free time. Lankawe, you will never get free time. Instead, you have to trap yourself into speaking. ඒ කොහොමද? Well, you can turn your phone into English and keep it that way. If you can scroll on TikTok for 1 hour, you can also survive 1 hour on English mode. Secret number 2. Stop hunting for grammar lessons. Even if grammar is sometimes important, it doesn't automatically give you the confidence. එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? Steal phrases from people who already speak well. You hear a good English sentence in a meeting or on TV, don't just clap and wait, copy it and use it. Secret number 3. Never wait for people to test your English. ඒ වෙනුවට ඔයාවම ටෙස්ට් කරගන්න moment එකක් හදාගන්න. For example, try voice note your friends in English. එයාලා hina වුණොත් ඉතින් මොකද ගණන් ගන්න එපා. You can get to know who your real friends are and at least you will never get scared of speaking in English again. By the way, මේ secrets ටික විතරක් නෙවෙයි තව full list එකක් තියෙනවා. And if you want that full list, then go check out justenglish.lk. That's where the real tricks are.